T-Line Mud Dog Customs.
Keep your eye on the road. Your eye on the road.
Got the LS swap done, 6.0. Running and driving good. Holding 200 on the temp. Show the temp.
Where the temp?
Temperature. Holding good.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Purring like a kitten. Alright.
There you go. Coming back to you. Now that we got to the house. Yeah. Oh yeah. See if we can open the hood with one hand. This hood's only about 400 pounds. All right. LS. PSI harness. They about the best that I've seen out there. They got everything. Got all the wires goes inside for your digital dash, cruise control, everything, man. PSI, that's the way to go. My opinion. And a lot of other people think that too. Yes, got a little battery mounted down there. Transmission cooler. Got the fan pushing in because we run out of room. Big as this hood is, we still run out of room. Yeah, man. Let me fire it up for you. Let me fire it up for you. Booyah! She fires right up. Pulling about 40 pound oil pressure. 198 on the temp. Guess what? Oh yeah. Y'all give me a like, subscribe, comment. A lot of y'all don't thumbs up these videos or thumbs down, either or. Algorithm will kick it out there. Talk to me. Leave a comment on the. Man, a kindergartner could LS swap that Cadillac. I don't care what kind of comment you leave. Just leave something. Shoo. Quiet mufflers. Tenfold. Y'all have a good one. Later.